Hi guys, welcome back to the channel here. We first off have the binder. We're going to be filling it up with all these packs that are in front of me. I also have one graded slab, which if you're all football fans, we have a mint 9 Josh Allen card. And I'm going to be opening up Scarlet Lost Origin first. We're hoping for this Giratina full art. Giratina V full art. Just gonna put it over here. That out. Got the pack artwork. And let's crack this baby open. Let's hope for a good code card. Place your bets in the comments down below. And don't cheat. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to front. We're also looking for miscut Pokemon cards. V-Star marker. Damage pump. Ghastly, Ducklet, Zora, Binnacle, Comfey, Reverse, that's a rare, in the rare, a Bufflet, non-hollow from Lost Origin. That is off-center, top to bottom, though. I'm telling you, we are looking for miscuts. Now on, let's go over to Shining Fates a little bit. We're gonna crack into it. We're still looking for the shiny Charizard. Let's hope for a banger here. Banger code card. Okay. It's a very good sign. And also, here's the code. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 4. It's 4, right? Yeah. Okay. Fire, that's a good sign. Dartrix. The Wacky. Gym Trainer. Trapinch. Yama. Coughing. Morpeko. Horsey. Gookie Reverse, and the rare. Ball Guy Full Art Trainer. That is a very clean card. Lucky it wasn't this, because it has chipping at the very top. And you gotta make sure too, to sleeve that rare. Put all the rares to the side there. Last bulk over there. feel like we should open up a little bit of Evolving Skies, the Sylveon artwork. We're looking for the beautiful Moonbreon artwork in any full arts. Let's hope for a good code card. Let's go. It's a good sign. And just to make things even better, code. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. To the back to the front. Okay. See something. Fighting energy. Zuelos. One time I had error with the energies. Zuela. Copycat. Psyduck. Rufflet. Drowsy. Flabebe. Licorolio. Emolia. Reverse. That's an uncommon. That's a common. And the rare. Glaceon V. That is a banger. That is one of my favorite cards. Wow. I'll grab a bit of sleeve. And the sleeve matches the evolutions. Extra sleeve that way. There's pack number 3. What did it do? 2 more packs. Gonna hop into some. We're gonna save the Scarlet and Violet for a different video. We're gonna put those to the side. Yeah, how about let's open some Brilliant Stars up. Let's get some Brilliant Stars started. Starting the pack artwork off with a Charizard pack artwork. Looking for that Charizard. I've already pulled one. It was only a V. It's a white bordered code card. That's not good. There's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also looking for error packs. So there could be an error card in here that I don't know of. V-Star. Badge and artwork. Collapsed Stadium. Beartrick. Chillins Care. Bizzle. Halucha. Thero. Magmar. Staryu. Presents backup. Reverse. That's an uncommon. And the rare. Clefable. Non-hollow. One more pack. We're gonna go with Evolving Skies again. Come on, baby. Come on, back up. Another white and green code card. There's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Grass Energy, we're looking for the Leafeon as well. Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, Hitmonchan, Fletchling, Tentacool, there's my boy Pikachu. I'm gonna put him off to the side. C-Dot, oh, I see something. Full Bebe, Reverse, that's a common, and the rare. Rayquaza V. Banger. That's gonna be it, guys, for the video. Next video, we're gonna be opening 2 Scarlet and Violet, Shining Fates, Lost Origin, and another Brilliant Stars. Peace out. Make sure to like and subscribe as well.